Hey, welcome to the product validation checklist. What is this? Well, as product people, when we're building something new, we need to know if we're on the right track. And there's no sense in wasting a lot of time and energy and money building something people don't want. So how do you avoid that? Well, the key is to start with who you're serving and really defining who are these folks? Where do they hang out? What are their struggles? What are they highly motivated to solve in their life? What problems in their business are they, eager to overcome? Once you've figured that out, we can then start to, build products that meet those needs. And I've got a step-by-step approach to doing that. It's very iterative. You do something small, and if that test works out, you go to the next step. If that test works out, you go to the next step. This is the same process I've used for the past 10 years with all of my software consulting clients. It's also the approach I'm using with my new company, Transistor.fm. It allowed us to, first of all, go out and with a very small product offering, get an initial customer who was paying us right from the beginning. So instead of going out and building something really, really big and figuring out that no one wanted it, we built something small. We got someone to pay for it. And then we kept building on top of that. That's the approach I'm going to teach you here in the checklist. So this is something that is interactive. You're going to be able to fill out answers at each step. It's going to send you a PDF every time you fill out a section. And you can go back and change your answers. You can track your progress. It'll tell you how many of the steps you've completed. Feel free to share this with your co-founder, with your team. Walk through each of the steps. Don't build something people don't want, and eventually get to the point where you can launch something to paying customers. Good luck. I hope you enjoy it.